Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching an elevated command prompt, right-click, Run as Administrator. Once open, make a fast backup of critical files. This prevents data loss if repairs change disks. Next, run chkdsk/scan to detect file system issues, then run sfc/scano to repair protected system files. You do this first because these tools fix common corruption automatically, and because they provide clear logs you can act on next. Make sure each command finishes. Do not interrupt disk operations. Once SFC runs, escalate to DISM to repair the Windows image. Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health to evaluate corruption, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix it. If restore health cannot find good files, point DISM at a known good source on a USB or mounted ISO using /source and add /limit access to avoid Windows Update. You should then rerun sfc/scano so repaired files fully propagate. Make sure to check the DISM and CBS logs for any persistent file names or component errors you must address. You finish by repairing boot records and performing final disk repairs. If system won't start, run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild from the recovery command prompt. If rebuild fails, use bcd-boot/c/Windows to rewrite boot files. Then run chkdsk/f/r to fix bad sectors and file pointers. Once done, restart and observe boot messages. If you still hit errors, use Windows Installation Media to launch automatic repair or the recovery command prompt. That often resolves bootloader and image mismatches when normal tools don't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.